What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at two handgun optics. The first being the optic on my Anderson Manufacturing Kiger 9C Pro, and then the second being the optic on my EAA Girsan Witness 2311. Now, both of these optics made by Gideon Optics. A lot of similarities between the two, a few differences, and one major difference that might actually be a deal breaker for some of you out there. So let's go. All right, we're checked and we're clear on both the Kiger as well as the Witness 2311 here. And yeah, both of these from Gideon Optics, so there's a similarity. One of the things that is pretty much static across the entire lineup from Gideon Optics, regardless of the model, there's going to be availability for both red and green dot. Both of mine here are going to be green dot. And then also one thing that is static among all of the Gideon Optics is going to be that they are all shake-awake design, meaning that if you set them down for any length of time, they're going to go off, and as soon as you pick them up, they're back on. All of them have a really nice windage and elevation adjustments on them. You can see that the rock here does have a little kind of a rear sight notch in the back. The Judge unfortunately does not, so that is a difference there. Getting into differences here, the main reason there's going to be differences in between these two red dots is going to be the footprint. The Gideon Judge here is the RMSc footprint, so a lot more compact, a lot smaller. Yes, you do have your brightness up and down controls there. And let me see if I can get this dot maybe to show up on camera. Now keep in mind the dot doesn't look quite like it would through the to the naked eye, because we are looking at things through the camera, but that is a 3 MOA dot. Now, interestingly enough, the rock here that's on the Kiger also has a 3 MOA dot, but it is drastically different. So let's talk about the rock, because this rock I think is what's kind of unique. Now, the rock here is the RMR style footprint, so a lot larger optic. You can tell, a lot bigger window. You do have your brightness up and down controls there, which are really cool. But here's the thing with the rock. The rock has that 3 MOA dot, but it is a pretty doggone big, and I'm going to tell you right now, this camera is not going to do it justice. It's a pretty doggone big little reticle, because that is a 3 MOA dot inside of a 65 MOA circle with crosshair hash marks. So it fills up at arm's length nearly that entire window. Now, I really like that design, and the reason I like that is for initial target acquisition, as well as transitioning quickly from one target to the next. It is super easy to pick up on that. Accuracy wise, you know, being able to hone in and shoot, you know, drive nails and shoot bullseyes with it, maybe not. But as far as getting quickly onto your target, it works out really, really well. Whereas a smaller dot, again, here that's on the Judge, is going to be, you know, more for, you know, a precision style work. We'll take a little more practice in being able to swing this handgun up naturally, pick up that dot and go. Now, if you've got any experience with Gideon Optics, maybe with the rock or the Judge, or you just got questions or comments related to this video, jump down in the comments below. Let's have a conversation. If you're interested in a full video of the Anderson Kiger or the EAA Witness 2311, I got those videos locked and loaded for you right over here. As for this one, we're done though. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.